Hello boss, and welcome back. Today's chef is going to share with us one of the easiest recipes he's made so far. This is a Brussels sprouts Parmesan. Very simple, couple ingredients, didn't take long at all. We think you're going to really enjoy it. Brussels sprouts got a bad name, so we're going to try to turn that around. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So go ahead and get some fresh Brussels sprouts and flip them over with a paring knife, and then just go ahead and make a small X at the bottom of the base. Once that's done, just go ahead and put them in a large bowl with a little bit of oil, a little bit of lemon juice. Looks like chef's pulling the shots out again. And this little AP rub, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Give them a little toss, a little coat. And then we're going to go ahead and get our oven heated up and put these on a pan and just make sure they're nice and sorted there. Chef's not going to heat up the whole oven because he only has a couple. So he's going to actually use his new smaller oven that he has. And this is going to be about 20 to 25 minutes at around about 400 degrees, 425. All the ingredients will be listed below. The blog will have all the instructions as well. After about 25 minutes or so, he's going to pull them out and check them. They're going to have nice crispy edges. If you want them a little hotter, you can broil them for a little while, up to you. Then just go ahead and plate those up, put them in a nice small serving bowl, and get ready to top and garnish. So chef's going to garnish with some nice, freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, and serve these right up. And there you have it. Pretty simple. A little bit of mixing, a little oven time, and you have yourself a really delicious Brussels sprout dish. We hope everyone does try this out. They do have a bad rap, but these actually came out really good. Really nice crunch to them. Thanks everyone for all your continued support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.